What's up, you guys? It's Darren Constantine. So today's topic of discussion is more on the investment side. So I know everybody, if you have like a 9 to 5 or anything like that, you probably have like a 401k. You invest in a portion of your income in stocks and bonds and CDs and whatnot. Um, I do have a 401k because my company matches 3%. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that 3% as free money. So I'll go ahead and contribute that 3% that they match. That's the max that they match. So, but on the other side of it, there's other things I can invest in. Now, right now, I am doing some research and investing a little bit into cryptocurrency. Now, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is basically digital currency that's decentralized, so it's not controlled by any particular government. The one in particular that I have invested a small amount into is Bitcoin. You may have seen Bitcoin in the news. You may have not. You may not know what Bitcoin is. But like I said, it is a decentralized digital currency. Now, Bitcoin is the biggest of all the cryptocurrencies, which is all the different digital currencies out there. Earlier this year, as far as, let's see, let me not even go back that far. About September, October, one Bitcoin was worth about $5,600. Don't quote me that on that specifically, that amount, but it was worth about $5,600. Now, as of today, December 4th, 2017, Bitcoin is over $11,000. One Bitcoin is worth over $11,000. I have I bought maybe about $300 worth of Bitcoin up to this point. I have seen gains. I wish I would have got into it. I would have bought it when it was at 5,600, but I didn't. It was probably around 7,500 when I bought it. On top of that, I am investing the Bitcoin to get some returns on it, daily returns. There is an exchange called BitConnect investment platform, and basically what it is, you buy Bitcoin. You use that Bitcoin to buy their coin, which is called BitConnect, and then you can take their coin and invest it with their trading robot, who basically trades the volatility of Bitcoin throughout the day, and you get paid out a daily percentage based on the volatility. It averages to about 1% per day, which is more than what I get at the bank. If I got money sitting in the bank, I'm getting like 0.01 per year. So I decided to test it out. I did a loan to their trading robot for $110. About 12 days later, I had a little over $11 in interest earned. I've never gotten that kind of return on any savings account I've had at the bank. So, and I was willing to risk that $110. I'm fine with losing it. So that's what I suggest. Don't invest any more than you're willing to lose in something that's very volatile. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile. For instance, Bitcoin, when it first hit $11,000, it was a pretty rapid rise. Within like 3 days, it went from like $9,000 to $11,000, and then it crashed. It wasn't a crazy crash. It went down to about 9,200, and then now it's back up and it's stabilized, and it's been at 11,000 for a couple days now. So if you're not willing to risk it, it's high risk. If you're not willing to risk that kind of money, don't put it in. So I was willing to lose the $110 that I had lent to BitConnect. So anyhow, I have reinvested 10 of the $11. You can reinvest your earnings back, so you can continue to earn interest on those earnings. So in that way, if I keep reinvesting my earnings, I'm compounding my interest. So my $110 becomes $120, and I get 1% average of 1% on that over time per day. So if you average it over 30 days, it averages to about 1% per day. It'll be above that or below that on certain days. And so when I reinvest, I'm compounding that interest, and I'll gain money faster because I have more money invested. So it becomes exponential at a certain point. I have a video of my first reinvestment, so I'll post that. Um, I'll have to do some editing and talking over it because I just recorded myself reinvesting and I didn't say anything over it, so I probably have to do a little bit on that. But anyhow, so I'll do that. So I'll show you guys. I'll attach it to this video so you can take a look. If you have any questions or comments, hit me below. If you like this video, if you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit the like button. Subscribe so when I do upload the videos, you can get them immediately. Again, if you have any questions, go ahead and hit the comment section below. I will reply and answer to any of your questions to the best of my ability. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Deuces. All right, so I'm going to walk you through my first reinvest with BitConnect. I'll go to the login page here. I'm already signed in, so I'm just going to hit the dashboard. All right, so this is the dashboard homepage. I have $11.12 in interest earned in my lending wallet. Let me show you my transactions. Go to my lending wallet, and it'll show you all the transactions from when I made my first investment. Scroll all the way to the bottom. You see there November 16th, I invested $112. And I will get that capital back September 11, 2018. And then on the 17th, the next day, I earned $2.15 in profit. That's 1.95% of that $110. Then the next day, I earned 165. Day after that, day after that. You see all those are all the interest earned as I go up each day. 92 cents there, 56 cents there, $1.16. Alright, so let me scroll up, and that's the total there, $11.12 of total interest earned on that $110 investment. So let's go back to my dashboard. I'll show you. I'm going to reinvest that $11.12. Hit the reinvest button. I'm going to hit all. And $10 is what it will allow me. It only does $10 increments. So I'll hit reinvest. Hit confirm. I'll get that $10 back in 299 days. Close that out. Successfully reinvested $10. Alright. Scroll down here. That's my initial $110 investment. The $11.10 in interest earned. Let's refresh that since I reinvested $10 of that. Alright, so now I got $1.12 left in my lending wallet since I reinvested $10 of the $11.12. So now I have $120 totally invested in the trading bot. It still shows my total interest earned overall. I'll show you here what the percentage each day was for the last 5 days. Today was 1.3%. I'm going to be getting 1.2% tomorrow. That's going to be on my initial 110 and the extra 10 I put in. And right now, BitConnect, as of the date of this recording, was 96.75 for 1 Bitcoin. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.